I've been hogging on some tasty and fattening food for a few weeks now, and it's kind of beginning to show. So I figured out that it's high time that I took up to a trend which is catching up really fast in Chennai. Well, I'm talking about the craze for salads, not just as an appetizer, but as a meal in itself. Nutri7, in an initiative to capitalize on this trend, has just set up shop at Express Avenue to cater to the health-conscious foodies in Chennai. If you're someone who's looking for healthy living and eating, then Nutri7 is the place to be. With a salad bar comprising of an array of international salads that are changed on a daily basis and quenchers such as the cranberry-based Heartthrob and Go Bananas. Someone who needs much more than just a salad to satisfy my appetite. That's why I thought I'll start off with a piping hot Tibetan momos, which is served with the spicy Szechuan dip and of course the clear vegetable stock, which basically helps you to avoid the stickiness which is associated with the momos. But you know what? I don't think much of the stock because it's just like hot water. I also really wish that the spicy dip was a little more spicier. Nutri7 also serves the regulars like mozzarella garlic bread and potato wedges, but they don't look too tempting, and I'm here on a different mission, so I will give them a pass today.
Well, apart from a lot of salads which you've got out here, we have planned and customized a lot of combos for people to enjoy. For people who would like to be a little bit more than just having soup and salad, we've got salad and pastas. So we've customized a meal which is very attractive and suitable to the kids also. Who said that kids are all about fries and burgers and pizzas? They can have a lot of choice when it comes to salads made with pastas and other things also which they like.
To stick to my Go Green motto for the day, and so I've decided to avoid rice and pastas completely. But how could I come to an exotic salad house and not have the dish which brought the salads into the main course category? Well, I'm talking about the Caesar salad, which is named after the chef Caesar Cardini. This salad and its variations are very popular throughout the world. Served with herbed croutons, iceberg lettuce, grated Parmesan cheese and an aioli dressing, the Caesar salad at Nutri7 appears and tastes like a variation created to meet the taste buds of the Chennai customers. Nutri7 also serves a range of other world-renowned salads ranging from Oriental and Greek chicken salad to the pasta salads. Complete with potatoes, carrots, sweet corn, broccoli. This here is a Russian salad, which is usually a non-vegetarian salad, but I have the veg version. And the vegetables in this are all steamed to retain the nutrition value. I'm beginning to wonder if the mayo and the cream dressing that it has is actually defeating my mission of eat healthy that I am on today.
This is the first time I am coming to this outlet. I've tasted almost all the salads. It's amazing. They have got 7 specialty salads. In that, if somebody says to pick up the salad, I definitely go for a Greek salad. The cheese, they use the feta cheese. It's expensive, but it's amazing. It's really tasty, and the presentation, the garnish. I can really appreciate to the chef, those who really do the salad.
My Go Green plans went down the drain the minute I laid my eyes on the blackcurrant custard. It's simply irresistible with loads of fruits, custard, there's blackcurrant crush, a little bit of chocolate sauce on top with a cherry. It taste so delicious that I don't mind these extra calories. And if you do not have a problem with extra calories, then you are welcome to come on our show Feeding Frenzy by answering this simple question. Which country is the largest producer of olive oil? A. Spain, B. Argentina, or C. is in Mexico? You can send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com with your contact numbers so that we can get in touch with you.